You walk into the gym feeling motivated. Your playlist is ready, your energy is high. You push through every set, every rep, every drop of sweat with the belief that your body is changing. But then something frustrating happens. Weeks pass, maybe even months. Your strength improves a little, your confidence rises for a moment. Yet when you look in the mirror, the transformation still feels smaller than you expected. And that's the moment most people start searching for shortcuts. They blame genetics, they chase random supplements, they jump from one extreme diet to another, they train harder and harder until their recovery falls apart. But the truth is much simpler. Muscle is not built by effort alone. It's built by what you consistently give your body every single day, because your body is always listening to your habits. Every meal sends a signal. Every snack sends a message. And the foods you choose can either push your body toward growth or quietly hold it back. That's why today, we're diving deep into the science-based diet strategies that actually support muscle growth in the real world. Not fantasy advice, not impossible meal plans. The first thing you need to understand is that muscle growth is expensive for the body. Your body does not casually build muscle. From a survival perspective, muscle requires energy, recovery, nutrients, hydration, sleep, and constant maintenance. If your body senses stress, poor nutrition, exhaustion, or inconsistency, it becomes much more cautious about investing resources into growth. That means your diet has to create an environment where muscle building feels safe and sustainable. And this is where many people go wrong. Some people undereat without realizing it. Others eat plenty of food but almost none of the nutrients that actually support recovery. Some rely heavily on processed convenience meals that fill the stomach but fail to support performance. Then they wonder why their progress stalls. Your body cannot build quality muscle from empty fuel. Think about it like construction. Training is the signal. Nutrition is the material. Recovery is the rebuilding process. If even one piece is missing, the results slow down. So let's start with the foundation of all muscle building nutrition. Protein. You've heard about it 1,000 times, but there's a reason it never disappears from the conversation. Protein contains amino acids, which are essentially the building blocks your muscles rely on after training stress breaks tissue down. But here's what many people misunderstand. Protein alone does not magically create muscle. Your body needs enough total nutrition, proper recovery, and consistent training for protein to actually do its job effectively. That's why balanced meals matter so much. Still, high-quality protein sources remain one of the most powerful tools for muscle growth. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, lean beef, cottage cheese, tofu, lentils, and beans can all play important roles depending on your preferences and lifestyle. And interestingly, some of the best muscle-building meals are often the simplest. A plate with lean protein, whole food carbohydrates, healthy fats, and vegetables creates a powerful recovery environment. Not flashy, not trendy, just effective. Eggs, for example, remain one of the most respected muscle-building foods for a reason. They contain highly bioavailable protein along with important nutrients that support overall health and recovery. The yolk itself carries nutrients many people mistakenly avoid, even though those nutrients support hormone function and overall performance. Then there's fish, especially fatty fish. Foods rich in healthy fats may support recovery, joint health, and overall wellness, which can indirectly improve training consistency. Because the reality is that muscle growth doesn't happen from a single workout. It happens from stacking productive workouts together over time. And recovery determines whether you can keep doing that. Now here's where things become even more interesting. A lot of people focus so intensely on protein that they completely ignore carbohydrates. That's a major mistake. Carbohydrates are not the enemy of muscle growth. In fact, they are often one of the most important performance fuels your body uses during intense training. When you train hard, your muscles rely heavily on stored energy, and when those energy stores remain chronically depleted, performance can suffer. Your workouts lose intensity, your recovery slows, your energy drops. Your motivation fades. This is why athletes across many sports continue to prioritize quality carbohydrate sources. Rice, oats, potatoes, fruits, whole grains, and other minimally processed carbohydrate foods can provide valuable training fuel. And there's another benefit many people overlook. Better training quality often leads to better muscle building results. If your energy crashes halfway through your workouts, your body receives a weaker growth signal. Nutrition affects performance. Performance affects adaptation. Adaptation affects growth. Everything connects. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated aspects of muscle gain. Consistency. Because the best muscle building diet is not the most extreme one. It's the one you can realistically sustain. Some people eat perfectly for a few days, then completely fall apart by the weekend. Others bounce between restriction and overeating, constantly confusing their bodies and destroying momentum. But real transformation usually looks less dramatic than social media makes it seem. It's repetitive, quiet, daily. It's waking up and making another solid meal choice, then doing it again and again, until your habits become stronger than your excuses. That's when your body truly begins to change. And this leads to another critical point. Muscle gain is not just physical, it's psychological. Because building muscle requires patience in a world obsessed with instant results. The body changes slowly, sometimes painfully slowly. You may not notice progress day to day, but your body notices consistency. Every quality meal matters. Every workout matters. Every night of recovery matters. And eventually, those invisible efforts become visible. Now let's talk about healthy fats. This is another area where confusion spreads quickly online. Some people fear fats completely. Others consume massive amounts while ignoring balance. The truth sits somewhere in the middle. Healthy fats play important roles in hormone production, nutrient absorption, brain function, and overall health. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish can all support a balanced muscle-building diet. And balance matters more than extremes. Your body performs best when it receives a wide variety of nutrients from whole food sources. That's one reason heavily restrictive diets often become difficult to sustain long-term. The body thrives on nutritional diversity. And speaking of diversity, let's address vegetables. Yes, vegetables, because muscle-building conversations often ignore them entirely. But vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support recovery, digestion, and overall health. A healthier body usually recovers better. A better recovered body usually trains better. And better training often leads to better muscle growth. Again, everything connects. Now here's something many people never expect to hear. One of the biggest obstacles to muscle growth isn't a lack of supplements, it's a lack of sleep. You can eat incredible meals, you can train with intensity, but if your recovery remains poor, your progress may suffer. During deep sleep, the body performs important recovery processes connected to muscle repair and overall restoration. Poor sleep can affect energy, hunger regulation, workout quality, mood, and recovery. That means your nutrition plan becomes far more effective when sleep supports it. This is why elite-level transformations rarely come from one magic trick. They come from multiple habits working together. Training, nutrition, hydration, sleep, stress management, consistency. When these areas align, progress becomes much more realistic. And now we need to talk about something that quietly ruins muscle building progress for countless people. Liquid calories. Sugary drinks, excessive alcohol intake, and ultra-processed beverages can create problems that many people underestimate. The people who build impressive physiques naturally are often not the people with the fanciest diets. They are the people who stay consistent long after motivation fades. That's the secret nobody can package. There will be days when your meals are boring, days when the gym feels difficult, days when the mirror seems unchanged. But if you keep showing up with discipline, your body eventually responds. Because the body adapts to repeated demand, and that realization changes everything. Now let's discuss meal timing. This topic creates endless debate online. Some people act as though muscle disappears if you don't eat at the perfect moment. Others claim timing never matters at all. Reality usually sits somewhere between extremes. Eating balanced meals throughout the day can help support energy, recovery, and consistent protein intake. People begin noticing the difference. Not because of one dramatic moment, but because of hundreds of invisible choices stacked together over time. That transformation is available to more people than they realize. Not because everyone has identical genetics, not because progress is equally easy for all people, but because the human body is remarkably adaptable when treated consistently well. And maybe that's the most powerful lesson of all. Your body is constantly responding to the life you give it. The food, the movement, the recovery, the discipline, the patience. Every day becomes a vote for the person you are becoming. And before we close, there's one final truth worth remembering. The goal should never be chasing perfection. Perfection burns people out. Real success comes from sustainability, from learning how to enjoy the process enough to continue. Because the strongest physiques are rarely built through temporary motivation. They are built through long-term consistency. So if your progress feels slow right now, don't quit. Don't underestimate what steady effort can do. The meals you prepare today matter. The workout you complete today matters. The sleep you prioritize tonight matters. Your future body is being shaped by the habits you repeat when nobody is watching. And one day, if you stay patient long enough, you may look back and realize the transformation happened quietly. Not overnight. Not through magic, but through discipline repeated so consistently that your entire life began to change around it. That's the real science of muscle growth. And honestly, that journey is bigger than muscles. It's proof that small daily actions can completely reshape the way you feel about yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want more science-based fitness content explained in a simple and practical way, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'd genuinely love to hear your thoughts. What's been the hardest part of your own fitness journey so far? Drop your experience in the comments below. Your story might motivate someone else to keep going. And until next time, keep training smart, keep eating with purpose, and keep becoming stronger one day at a time.